Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Wesley the Lion. I'm live. Came to bring you this video because I have some documents here that will help you out completely. It'll show you how to, if you get in a situation like far as court cases and stuff, help you get up out of there. Now, me recently, like for the last 2 years, I've been a big civil rights person. My only goal is to help people succeed in life and stop letting the courts and stuff get over on you and manipulate you. So, I mean, I'm not fixing to tell you something that I didn't do myself. So, I tried it about 2 weeks ago, 2017. March. I tried in May. Yeah, it was about the middle of May, 2017, and it worked. They couldn't do nothing. I got all the proof and everything, the emails from the public defender, because I refused to get a lawyer. So I got a public defender. I just told them what it was, got down to business. Of course, they're going to always lie. They're going to always lie and tell you that it don't work. Stop listening to YouTube. Don't believe other people. Oh, the judge going to give you more time. Whatever they tell you, don't believe them, because their goal is to make you think that it's not true. So what happened was I tried it, went into court, told the judge to supply jurisdiction, because they only got two different jurisdictions they could try you under. One is Admiralty and Military Tribunal venue, which they can't use against you. And the other one is common law, which means it has to be an injured person, an injured party, and a signed verified complaint. So without that signed verified complaint, it can't be no injured party, and it's no crime. And this is law. I have all the paperwork right here in front of me. You can't see it, but it's here. I'm gonna show you though. So yeah. Anyway, I told him because this paperwork say if the judge can't provide. Okay, sorry, I had to answer the phone, so I stopped the video for a second. But yeah, so I forgot where I left off at, but anyway, I walked in there, told the judge that all his judgments was void. He working outside of his jurisdiction. That's what I mean when I say jurisdiction. When they can't provide you, when you ask them to prove to state proper jurisdiction on the record and they don't do it right there, walk out the courtroom, tell them you won't be back, let them know that their judgment is void, and right then and there the case is dead. You leave, and I guarantee you they're not going to issue a warrant, and they're not going to do nothing about it. So because they know they don't have the jurisdiction to stop you. So what they're not going to do is, if you got like a courthouse that if they normally put state stuff on the internet, like what was the outcome of the case, they're not going to put it online because they don't want everybody else to know. So they're not going to state all that stuff online. So don't worry about it, and they'll never pull you over again. They're not going to mess with you at all. Anyway, I know for a fact because I did it. So I'm here in Illinois, by the way. I did it. So here it go. Yeah, I got different papers here. I could read you some of the other stuff. It's so much stuff here, man, that, well, look, here go one right here. Hold on, what's this, 3 of 8? Okay, I need 4 of 8. Now listen to this. It say, hold on, right here. This says, for a crime to exist, there must be an injured party. There can be no sanction or penalty imposed upon one because of this exercise of constitutional rights. Now, did you hear that? So, how can you stop anybody for driving without a license, for driving without a seatbelt, for driving with loud music, for driving with your foot hanging out the window? Anything. You cannot legally stop someone unless, for anything, you can't arrest nobody, do nothing unless it's an injured party. Somebody have to be there to say, this person injured me. Without that, they can't do nothing to you. Hold on, I got more. Then it further says, this there can be no sanction or penalty imposed upon one because of his exercise of constitutional rights. Oh my. Now listen to this. A state may not impose a charge for the enjoyment of a right granted by the federal Constitution. That's Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. Now, it's here. All this is, I'm not like them. I'm not like them other people who claim they want to help you, and then when you try to get help and you really need them, they charge you an arm and a leg. I'm not like that. My name is Wesley. I'm going to put the description in the link, and I'm going to put the description, everything in this video. I'm going to let you know. Look me up on Facebook. Talk to me anytime. Send me a message. But I'm not going to charge you a penny. I'm not like that. My only goal is to be here and help the people. That's it. Because it was free to me. It was given to me. I'm not fixing to get something that was free to me and then charge you for it. So if you know anybody else online who doing anything, ignore them, man. They just want a penny. They just want some money from you. That's just like these so-called black activist leaders for civil rights. They just want to come and charge you or show up when it's cameras everywhere. But I trust you, man. I tell you, if any way I can help you, let me know, and I'll try to do it. You don't have to pay me nothing, man. Any way you want some help, let me know. I'll do it. If I have it to give to you, I'll do it. But don't listen to people who are trying to charge you. Trust me, they just want to be, everybody trying to look for a quick way to come up. Don't worry about it. But hold on. And then this right here, this is talking about the right to travel. Hold on, this is 4. Okay, let me find page 5 so I can continue reading on it, because it looked like it goes over to page 5. Yeah, all right, here it go. Now, this is about the right to travel. It says, we are all citizens of the United States, and as members of the same community, must have the right to pass and repass through every part of it without interruption, as freely as in our own states. Now, this is law. I'm not telling you something that this is law right here. Now, hold on. Let me read this other part to you. Okay, now. It says, right to travel, whether armed or not. I mean, like if you got a weapon or something. Say, whether armed or not, the right of the citizen to travel upon the public highways and to transport his property thereon, either by carriage or by automobile, is not a mere privilege. Listen, is not a mere privilege which a city may prohibit or permit at will, but a common right which he has under the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Now listen to what they said. They said it's not a privilege. They said a state cannot decide if you have the right to drive or not. It's not drive, it's travel. They're saying a state can't determine whether you get to travel or not. If you feel like getting in your automobile and traveling without a driver's license, you can do that because you have a right to do it under the federal Constitution. Now, keep in mind, the Constitution of the United States of America is the highest law out. Can no police officer come and break that law at all? So, if they tell you you need a license, you don't. But they're going to try you. Listen to me. They're going to try you and see if you really know what you're talking about. So stay strong. I'm going to let you sync on this, though. I'm already at 9 minutes. So I'm going to let you sync on this, and then I'm going to be posting more videos more and more. But I'm going to just be touching different subjects. So anyway, it's me, Wesley the Lion. My name is The Lion on on Facebook. Look me up. I'll talk to you anytime. Send me a message. But I'm here in Illinois anyway. I'm here to fight for y'all. I love y'all. Stay true to what you believe in, man. Don't let nobody discourage you. Always stay free. I'm here for you. Thank you. Goodbye.